Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video, and on today's video I will be showing you how to log into ANZ Bank online banking account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer, and on the search URL type in anz.co.in, then press enter on your keyboard. It will take you to the official website of ANZ Bank. Now, in order to log into your personal online banking account, at this upper right corner of this interface, you will get login button. Click over there. That will take you to the login page. And on this page, first of all, you have to enter your customer number. So enter the correct customer number. And under that, enter your correct password. In case you forgot your password, you can simply recover your password if you click on this link provided that says forgot password. After that, follow the procedure and that will help you to recover your password. Or if you don't have an account yet, you can simply register now by clicking on this button that says register now from the upper right corner of this interface. Now, once you're done typing in your customer number and your password, click on login button, and on the next page, you will be successfully logged into your account. So that's how you can log into ANZ Bank online banking account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do subscribe, like and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them down. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.